Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to start your MacBook on safe mode. So first, if your MacBook is on, go ahead and shut it down. Please like or subscribe if this video helps. Once you shut it down, then we're going to go ahead and push the power button, but we're going to want to hold it down. Okay, so let's go ahead. It's going to take a little time. Then once you hold it down, it says continue holding, and then it says loading startup options. We're going to keep holding it down. Soon, this is going to give you an option for your Mac hard drive. Okay, so now you're going to see Macintosh hard drive and options. What we're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and hold the shift button. Sorry about that sound. Hold the shift button, and then we're going to go here. And then once you hold the shift button, it says continue in safe mode. Okay, so then as you can see, once I push the shift button, you can't really see. Oh, you can see right there. See that finger right there? I'm holding down the shift button, and then I'm pushing continue in safe mode. Now, all we have to do is wait for the Macintosh or MacBook to start in safe mode. Okay. Sometimes it takes a little time loading. Okay, so now I have to put in my password. Okay. That didn't work. All right, so now it is restarting the computer on safe mode. You'll know you're on safe mode because on the top right, it will say. That's pretty much it, guys. So I hope this video helps. Please like or comment below. Bye-bye.